Hey guys, we received this Gitus magnetic dart board, indoor outdoor games for test and try. So this is comes with 12 magnetic darts, and it's a great gift for the boys or the girls to play these games at home or outside wherever they want. And this also have a very nice sheets in there. So it's pretty safe because they don't have this point thing that can hurt. And quality wise, it's good because it's easy to set and no harm because of the no pinching thing and no sharp and pointy stuff. You can see the quality here, and the corners are well made. And then this sheet is also thick, which takes some time to have like some of this straight thing. But then the quality wise is good, and you can hang it anywhere you want, and it can easily take up the shape. So these are the magnetic darts that comes with it, and you can see like the strong magnetic force or the push, and the quality wise this is really good. So see like it can fall really well and stick fine. So this is also the space for the darts in here that you can easily put it there and then use it. So they are two-sided, and it's around 15 inches in the width and 18 inches in the length. So comes with the 12 magnetic darts and double-sided magnetic board. So it's a nice color that four players can play with it, and also like you can use all different colors. So you can see there is no rough edges and strong magnetic one, unique design pattern, and easy to hook as well. And it's very strong magnets that comes. So the other side also have a similar thing. You can use these darts, and you can use the dual way of playing. So my impression is really a nice quality with the side corners, the rounded one, and then also the stitching is fine. The metal is not pinching or anything, very safe to use, and this works really fine. So say like if you just put it on the wall and the hang it there, and then it's pretty easy for the kids to play. So the my kids are not that good with the darts, but you can see that it is sticking, and then this is working fine. From the other side as well, they are using a really, you know, far away place, but and they are just 6 year old, so you can see like how much fine they can use it. But the darts are working fine. They are magnetic stand and very nice game for the kids.